Get meals to the table in record time with Frigidaire Induction. Induction transfers heat directly to the cookware and not to the surface of the cooktop, so no heat is wasted heating the cooktop surface, which means you can boil water 50% faster than an electric cooktop. Get amazingly fast heat with Frigidaire Induction. Frigidaire's Induction Cooktop has a beautiful finish that's easy to clean. Because with induction, heat is transferred directly to the cookware and not to the surface of the cooktop, keeping the surface cool, so spills won't burn onto your cooktop, making cleanup easier than ever.
Frigidaire allows you to air fry at the touch of a button. Air fry uses superheated air and a powerful convection fan to evenly circulate heat around your food, allowing for even distribution on all sides, resulting in that crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside taste, with little or no oil, so you can deliver all of the flavor and none of the guilt.